Good morning, children, and very bright day. Let us see the subtraction of small friends. Subtraction of small friends are very easy. What we are going to learn is subtraction of small friends. So in this, we all know, children, that 5 is a common friend. Let us write. See how I am writing 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I am starting from here 4 and I am writing the reverse order. 4, 3, 2, 1. 5 I am writing outside. Now 4 and 1 are best friend. 3 and 2 are best friend. 2 and 3 are best friend. 1 and 4 are best friend. 5 is a common friend for all. Okay, this we have learned in the last session, children. Now last time we learned about addition of small friend. Today we are going to learn about subtraction of small friends. So we have to make a formula from it. You can also remember using your finger. So when you open 1, how many fingers are closed? 4 fingers. That means 1 and 4 are best friend. When you open 2 fingers, how many fingers are closed? 3. So 2 and 3 are best friend. When we open 3 fingers, how many fingers are closed? 2. That means 3 and 2 are best friend. When you open 4 fingers, how many fingers are closed? 1. That means 4 and 1 are best friend. 5 is a common friend for all. So let us derive a formula for it. So when we want minus 1, how we will do it? We use, now 4 is a, you can do with the help of finger. So 1, 4 is close. So plus 4 minus 5. 5 is a common friend. So minus 2, how we will do? Plus 3 minus 5. See, plus 3 minus 5. 3 is close. Minus 3 is nothing but 3 fingers you open and see 2 fingers are closed. So plus 2 minus 5 and minus 4 is nothing but plus 1. You can open the finger and clear it. Minus 5. So these are the formulas and we are going to do few sums. I'm going to do two sums for each formula and you should also remember the formula. Practice it writing using this way, using your fingers. Okay, then you will come to know. Now see how I am writing the question. We will be writing 2 questions, similar questions. 25 minus 1, 5. Nothing is written, means it is addition, children. Next question, 92, 03 minus 1. So let us do how we will do it. Clear the bit, children. Now 25, this is 2 is the tens place, 5 is in ones place. So we have done our 25. Put a tick mark to it. Now we are doing minus 1, that is less 1. Less means you have to decrease 1. There is no bits in the ones to decrease it. So we will use the formula. Plus 4 minus 5. So you add it. Plus 4 minus 5. So we did with minus 1. Put a tick mark. Now we have to add 5. How do we do it? Bring the 7 bits to line. Okay, children? So we have added 5 to the answer bar. What is the answer, children? In tens place 2 and in ones place 9 bits are there. 29 is the answer. So when you are doing subtraction of small friend, we are this all bits we are moving up. Okay, that you have to remember. Now clear the bits. We are going to the second one. 92. How do we do, children? This is 90. You have to use butterfly finger in your small abacus tool. 3. You add 3 bits to the ones place. Minus 1. You decrease 92. Sorry, 90 and 2. Then 3. You can add 3 here. We can't add. So plus 5. Okay. So we can't add. So use this plus formula. What is plus 3? Plus 3 is nothing but plus 5 minus 2. We have learned in addition formula. Okay. So plus 5 minus 2. We use this formula and we applied here. Now minus 1. How do I do minus 1 here? Use the formula. Plus 4 minus 5. So what is the answer, children? 94. Okay, children. So this is how we will do the small friend subtraction of minus 1. Now let me go to the small friend subtraction of minus 2. So I'll erase this minus 1. Now we are doing the second one. That is minus 2 equals plus 3 minus 5. So I'll be giving few questions. 96 minus 2 minus 3. How do we do this? 18 minus 3 minus 2. How do we do this? Okay. So clear the bits, children. So it is 96. So 96. How do we do 6? You have to do 6. So use your butterfly finger. So we are done with 96. Now you have to decrease 2 here. Is there 2 over here, children? No. So we have to use this formula. Plus 3 minus 5. This is plus 3 minus 5. Moving the bits away up. In the subtraction, you have to move the bits up. Okay. So we did with minus 2. Okay. Now we have to do minus 3. How do we do minus 3? 1, 2, 3. Away from the answer bar. So what is the answer, children? 91. Answer is 91. Okay. So is it clear, children, how to do this one? Addition, subtraction of small friend, that is minus 2. Let me do 18. Clear the bits. 18. How do we do 18? 1 in tens place. 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 18 we did. Put a tick mark. Let me go to the next one, that is minus 3. How do we do minus 3? Direct subtraction. So 1, 2, 3, take it away from the answer bar. Then minus 2 is, can we do minus 2 here in this directly? No, we have to use this formula. Plus 3 minus 5. So add 3 minus 5. So you are moving the bits up. Isn't it? So how much you got? 10 in ones place and 3 in ones place. 10 in tens place. 3 is ones place. So answer is 30. Now we have understood minus 2 is nothing but plus 3 minus 5. We came to know that we are moving the bits up when we are doing that. Okay. So let me go to the next one. Formula. I'll clear this. You have to do the base on that. Some questions will be given in the homework. Okay, children. So let us understand minus 3 equal to plus 2 minus 5. How do we do that? Let us take two example. 65 minus 3. Nothing is written means plus 0, 5. Okay, this is one sum. Another is 96 minus 3 and 0, 5. Remember, you have to write the answer in 2 digits. If it's single digit also, you have to write, like suppose you are getting the answer 9. You have to write 0, 9. You should not make it as single digit number in a backward. Okay. So let us make 65. So first of all, clear the bits. Now, how to do 65? 60 to 5 in 10, 50 plus 10, 60 and 5 directly. Minus 3. Can we do minus 3 there directly? No, children. So what to be done? Use the formula. Plus 2 minus 5. Plus 2 minus 5. Okay. We have done with these two. Now we should add 5 to it. So directly we can add. So what is the answer, children? 16. How much, children? 7. 67. Let us see this, the second one. For that, clear the bits. Now 96. How do we do 96? 8, 90 in tens place. 6. Use the butterfly finger together. It's a bigger scale, so my hands can't spread, but in small scale you can do. Minus 3. How do we do minus 3? Plus 2 minus 5. Plus 2 minus 5. We did with minus 3 and 96. Now plus 5. How do we do? 5 was the answer bar. So what is the answer? 91, 98. Total number of bits over here will be 9. So 1 is less. So it is 98. So we understood with minus 3 formula, children. Let us understand minus 4 formula. So I'll clear this bit, clear the screen. I have finished with this. Now minus 4 formula, how to do it. Now 2 questions based on it. 88 minus 4, again minus 4. Okay. 37 minus 4, then add 11. Okay. How do we do that? Okay. So let us see. 88. Clear the bits, children. 88. Now one more thing, children, when you are writing in the Abacus tool, doing Abacus and writing in the book, please hold your pencils like that. Every time you have to do Abacus using pencil only. And you hold the pencil like this. When you are writing, you remove it like this and this. You keep practicing, children. You have to hold the pencil like this and then this way, this way. When you're writing, you write it up. Then we're doing, the hands will be free to do the index finger and thumb finger will be free to move the abacus. Okay, children? So next, 88. This is 88. Minus 4. How do I subtract 4 from it? So this is 5. How do I do? Minus 4 plus 1 minus 5. So plus 1 minus 5. Now how do I do? 4 subtract, again I have to subtract. Okay, children. So again I have to subtract 4 from it. We can do directly. So what is answer? Here we use a formula. Here we doesn't use. Whenever you can do directly, you can do it. Okay. So what is the answer? 50, 60, 70, 80. Okay. Now 35. How do I do 35? This is 30, 50, 60, 70. 35. So 35, 7 it is done. Now 4 minus 4, how we do? Plus 1 minus 5. Plus 1 minus 5. We did with minus 4. Now we have to add 11. 10, 1. It's 11. So what is the answer, children? You can note down 44. 44. So once again we recall, we have learned the subtraction of small friend. So for 1, 4 is the friend. For 2, 3 is the best friend. For 3, 2 is the best friend. For 4, 1 is the best friend. 5 is common friend for all. 5 is common friend for all. So what is the minus 1 formula? Minus 1 formula again I will revise. You open it. 4 fingers are closed. So plus 4 minus 5. Minus 2 formula. 2 fingers you open it. And 3 are closed. So plus 3 minus 5. Minus 3 formula. 2 fingers are closed. That means plus 2 minus 5. 1 finger is closed. So minus 4 is nothing but plus 1 minus 5. So if you remember this formula, using Abacus to subtraction becomes very easy. Your homework will be followed to you in the WhatsApp group. Please do it and have a nice day.